First of all, good morning, niggas and niggas. I'm in the hotel, got my shit ready. I'm about to get out of here and go pick up the truck. So I guess let's get up out of here. You feel me? I got a load. We going to Oregon. So get on there and get my truck, pay for my truck, and get to the truck and hook up to this new trailer. I think it was, I got to pay $27,100 more.
That was $27.47.
$27.47, yes, something like that. Yeah. He told me that I got to swipe for some of them, but he told me it was going to be a charge. So I tried to get, yeah, I know, I tried to get it all cash because I did not want to pay extra money for nothing, but I couldn't. So I think I got $900 there, cash, and I'll swipe for the other part. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9. I had 920. Keep that 20. Keep that 20. 900. I'll just swipe this card for the rest of it. I'll cut down some of that fee. I couldn't take it all the way out, but I'll cut it out. It says it's 3%, right?
Yeah.
3% for using cards. Right, so I got to swipe for 17 and change then. This truck. What's up, y'all? Y'all still in my truck? Had to go check on everything, go up under the hood. Do my checks. You know, it just come out the shop, so we want to look around and see what got fixed. So we're back up and running, ready. Everything operational. But if sometimes truck go down, it's part of the game. It's gonna happen. You know. Best thing to do is it's not a matter of if, more so when. It's just how you work through it. So just want to just tap back in with y'all. Until I say come pick up the truck. Other than that, y'all stay safe. Sucker free.